Hey, what is going on? Welcome back to my channel. It's banner number 40. So we are going to edit our name and the fact and what do you want and what do you want to edit, okay? Open down the first. Let me open the Photoshop. Okay, as you can see, I'm gonna show you the banner. So you saw this banner in the thumbnail, correct? So you wanna edit your name like I already edited, no problem. I'm gonna remove that, okay, and do like this. Okay, if you wanna edit the name, so I'm gonna show you that. Okay, so first I'm gonna like this, edit text here, open this group and select your name. Okay, I'm gonna drag it like this. I'm gonna put my channel name, whatever left, for example, ZUHAIR BALOCH. Got it? It is totally white. I'm gonna undo it again. Okay, I'm gonna drag it this one, ZUHAIR, and then I'm gonna drag it this one too, like BALOCH. Okay, so our name is ready, but it is too big. Okay, press T and select the size, for example 130. It looks nice, as you can see. That's nice. Okay, I'm going to select the group, hold Control and press A and hit this little icon to make sure to put that text in the center. Okay, it's just come down for a little. Okay, so you want to add this yellow effect layer, something like this. If you want to add it in, then you can. Okay, open the eye, turn off the eye. What do you want? Whatever you want. Okay, so here's the banner, the official channel of ZUHAIR BALOCH. There's a car. If you want to change the picture, then you can. Okay, drag and place a picture and remove this picture as well and put it on another picture. Okay, and you can save it from here, file, save as, desktop, Photoshop to PNG or JPEG, whatever you want. Okay, I'm gonna put it on JPEG, save it. Here there's a quality 12, hit OK. So I'm gonna show you the banner. Here's the banner, preview. There is it, as you can see. You can use this banner for your channel. I hope you like the banner. Make sure to hit the subscribe button for more free banners for your YouTube channel. Thank you guys for watching my video, and I will see you in the next one.